वेलकम बैक। और अब वो वक्त है जब हम हमारे गेस्ट से बड़े मज़ेदार किस्म के हम सवालात करते हैं, लेकिन ये AA राउंड है। एंड जस्ट लाइक आई एक्सप्लेन टू ऑल माय गेस्ट, वो बस नहीं होता AA और कुछ छलांग मार के आपको मतलब कूदना पड़ता है बस पे। इसी तरह मैं आपको जल्दी से मतलब सवाल करूंगी और आपने फौरन फट से आपने जवाब देना होता है।
अच्छा,
फर्स्ट में कम्स इनटू योर माइंड। ओके नादिया, ब्यूटी और ब्रेन्स विच हैज़ बीन योर बिगेस्ट एसेट? मतलब आपके लिए सबसे फ़ायदेमंद चीज़ आपकी मतलब खूबसूरती थी या आपका दिमाग? आपने दिमाग से काम चलाया या खूबसूरती से?
For me, my asset, brains.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the modeling industry, did it work? Like, did
No,
your brain?
in my modeling as well as my personal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है.
खूबसूरती से तो सिर्फ रिश्ता नहीं आया ना.
दिमाग भी देखे उन्होंने रिश्ता भेजा था. सही है. Okay. What turns you on most in a man?
Intelligence and humor.
Is that how your husband got you?
He got me through his really tender loving care. Yes.
Tender loving care.
But
मतलब
yes.
नहीं ये स्टेटमेंट के पीछे तो कहानी डेफिनेटली है. जरा कहानी तो जरा आप दोहराएं.
कहानी थोड़ी सी सैड सी कहानी है क्योंकि जब when I initially met my husband, at that same moment my father had fallen really sick.
Okay.
And because my father had undergone a bit of a stroke problem which was actually related to a heart problem, and my husband's father was a cardiac patient, तो वो उस वक्त में one of the best doctors की appointment जो थी वो मेरे father-in-law के पास थी. Just during that time, and my husband gave up my father-in-law's appointment for my father.
Wow.
So that was something that was just because you see I've never ever dealt with anything of that sort before my father fell sick. You know, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कभी भी कुछ ना मेरी माँ के साथ ना कभी भी इससे पहले कुछ हुआ था. This was the first time that I had to face my father all of a sudden, who was sitting watching TV and he just all of a sudden blanked out, and that was basically a stroke that had affected his speech and memory, and we didn't know what has gone wrong. And वो थोड़ा सा उस तरीके से TLC था. He gave up his father's appointment for my father's appointment, and you know he used to come every day to the hospital, and I had just recently met him.
I'm trying to think of the diet. सुनिए जी, आपने जो वो किया था वो उसका बहुत शुक्रिया. मैं आपकी बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. मतलब what was the diet? What? I mean, did you know him before that?
I did.
Okay.
I had known him for 2 weeks only, and soon after that, you know, my father fell sick, and I used to talk to him, and I used to be like, you know, कि मुझे समझ नहीं, I don't know what has gone wrong with my father, and I've been to so-and-so hospital, and I've been to so-and-so, you know.
So he was basically the man on the white horse that sort of rode in and kind of like took care of you.
And he said, कि okay, fine, I have this, you know, cardiac surgeon's appointment, so I
hero
will.
थे, थोड़ा सा hero बन गया थे. अच्छा ठीक है, सही है. All right. Your guilty pleasure.
Guilty pleasure is a chocolate cake, definitely.
Chocolate cake.
Yeah, like a creamy.
Are you
fudgy.
मतलब आपको इजाजत भी है chocolate cake खाने की?
क्यों नहीं भाई, हफ्ते में एक दफा तो इजाजत है.
Okay, fine, ठीक है, सही है. एक पाकिस्तानी मॉडल का नाम लें. नादिया, मुझे पता है कि आप बहुत पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट हैं और आप बहुत सोच समझ के बात करती हैं, लेकिन आप सोच समझ के इस बात का जवाब देंगी.
हाँ.
एक पाकिस्तानी मॉडल का नाम दें जो शायद उनको अब मॉडलिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए, उनको अब हम सबको माफ़ करना चाहिए, अब घर चले जाएं.
घर चले जाएं.
अब सोच रही ना दे कि हाय मैं किस पसूरी में फंस गई हूँ मैं.
Exactly. Well, I have. I mean, like, it's not as though I haven't told her, but I mean, we have told her as well. But I think that, and I think she kind of knows it as well. But I think Iraj should, you know, I mean, we've told her, like I've said, that you know, you should move on to doing your painting, get back into it. You know, I wouldn't say कि you know कि हम उसे माफ कर देना चाहिए हमें. She's still great on the ramp.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
But,
she's great.
You know, everyone, every, and especially in the media, everything has a life, and there comes a time when you need to move on to other things.
And she also refuses to do acting, and she's such a brilliant actor, but she refuses, and you know that is she refuses to appear on TV. तो मैं तो बहुत उसको कहती हूँ कि तुम you're wasting yourself, totally wasting yourself. ने फौरन ये
अपने जो स्टेटमेंट जो है फौरन कवर अप कर दिया, फौरन well done. सही ट्रेनिंग की है अम्मी ने और पप्पू ने. well done. Okay, one designer, मतलब एक बहुत से डिज़ाइनर हैं, लेकिन जिनके कपड़े अगर वो आपसे आके कहेंगे नादिया जी आप प्लीज़ मेरे कपड़ों को आप मॉडल करेंगी, और आप बोलेंगे मैं मर जाऊंगी लेकिन इसके कपड़े मैं कभी नहीं पहनूंगी.
They might not even be known designers, but कुछ मेरे साथ issues ऐसे हुए हैं जिसकी वजह से I've gotten really pissed off is this designer duo called Rizwan
Names.
Muazzam.
Who?
Rizwan Muazzam. Like I said, you might not even know who they are.
Okay. Huh.
So it doesn't matter.
So no, you would never wear his clothes.
Well, I've gotten ticked off enough that I wouldn't wear his clothes.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough. Rate the following in terms of preference. You've got Iraj, Vaniza, ZQ, Iman Ali. 1 being the best, and then number 4 being at the bottom.
Okay. Iraj, Vinny. I actually in exactly the same order. Iraj, Vinny, ZQ, and Iman.
Okay. All right. Politically correct. Very politically correct. Nadia, आपकी training माशाल्लाह
politically correct about that?
हाँ, मतलब एक दफा एक जगह पे वो कह रही हैं कि आप प्लीज घर चले जाएं, दूसरी जगह पे कह रही हैं कि नहीं, she's the
But
best.
she is still good.
Okay, are you a sassy siren, or are you the girl next door?
I'd like to believe I'm a sassy siren.
All
But not
right.
the girl next door.
You're
That's
definitely not the girl
exciting,
next
though.
door. हाँ, not exciting. हाँ,
Not
okay.
exciting.
Children, बच्चे आपके लिए for life, part of the deal, या बुढ़ापे का सहारा?
Initially, I was never a child person. You know, मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं था बच्चों से कोई लगाव. But now, definitely children for life. It's
Okay.
not just बुढ़ापे
How
का
did you
सहारा.
how did you make that change? Because Nadia को हर चीज़ परफेक्ट पसंद है और जब बच्चे आते हैं चीज़ें परफेक्ट नहीं रहती हैं, चीज़ें गंदे होते हैं, शोर होता है, बस वो अजीब सी वो चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं घर में. How did you handle that change? I mean, did you feel like, oh my God, ये मेरी ज़िंदगी के साथ क्या हो गया है, मैं कहाँ आ गई हूँ?
या शुरू में था,
हाँ.
बट शुक्र है कि वो जो मैनिक किस्म के बेबी ब्लूज होते हैं वो नहीं हुए. It
Okay.
lasted for about I think 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
And but like I mentioned before as well, support. My mother was around. अच्छा ठीक है, you relax.
हाँ.
My
But you
husband
did
was.
feel that. I mean, it was a stressful time.
And my husband was very supportive because he's a very hands-on dad.
Okay.
So वो काफी अगर if I used to be like, and still now if I
हाँ.
need my time out कि भी अच्छा मैं जा रही हूँ 4 दिन के लिए,
हाँ.
so he is very much there.
तो मैं इनको
behind me.
संभालो, बस हो गई.
But he really enjoys it. It's not as though
Okay.
it's
हाँ.
stress for him.
Yeah.
And
he enjoys it. He likes it though. Okay.
हाँ,
हाँ.
support तो है ना फिर.
All right. What do you enjoy most? Acting, modeling, or hosting?
What do I enjoy most? I would say I do enjoy acting.
Okay. ठीक है. In the next 10 years, अगले 10 साल में नादिया हुसैन कहाँ होगी? आप still going to see Nadia or Nadia Hussain just sort of go, अच्छा नहीं बस बहुत होगी, अब मैं जा रही हूँ और मैं पराठे
Next
बनाऊंगी
10
अपने
years?
मियाँ के साथ और मैं
नहीं,
हाँ,
not at
अच्छा.
all. No, in the next 10 years, I might not be modeling, God knows, but maybe more into the field of acting or hosting, or maybe in some business venture. I don't know. Like right now, it's all like I said before. It's a
देखी
little bit
जाएगी
free floating.
कि
हाँ.
किस्मत कौन-कौन से दरवाजे खोलेगा.
हाँ,
Basically.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I mean थोड़ी सी struggle तो करनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ.
If I want to perhaps do a business venture, which I have some ideas about it. The only thing is I don't know how to implement them. And right now I just feel कि अच्छा मैं ये काम निपटा लूँ अपने तो फिर मैं आगे सोचूंगी.
हाँ. ठीक है. All right. Fair enough. Nadia, we wish you the very best.
Thank you.
And I hope that you get to achieve everything that you want to achieve और आपका business भी हो जाए और बाकी सब चीज़ें भी मतलब आप उनको control कर सकें. And thank you so much कि आपने हमारे लिए वक्त निकाला and came and spend some time with us on No Reservations.
Not at all.
आप सबका भी शुक्रिया कि आपने हमारे साथ अपना शाम का 1 घंटा निकाला. And अगले हफ्ते हम फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह. Email address is noreservations@dawnnews.tv. ज़रूर हमें लिखिएगा. Let us know who you'd like to see on the show और जिन मेहमानों से आप मिल चुके हैं उनके बारे में आपकी क्या सोच है. Till then, खुदा हाफिज़, शब ख़ैर.